Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, another story behind the car, and I'm at a car show. I go back to my car to get something, and I see this gorgeous 1967 Pontiac LeMans Convertible. There you can see the slats on the side. At first, I thought it was a 66, but it's got a 326. So I'm shooting this video, and then you can see that it looks like a 53 or 54 Chevy. The guy pulls in, I'm shooting the video, but that doesn't prevent him from talking to me while I'm shooting it. So that's why I'm doing the voiceover after the fact. Great car show. It's down in Festus, Missouri, but this was sitting here, just such a good looking car. And I just had to shoot it. So, and then also against that warehouse, you'll see as we slide around. But so Pontiac had the Tempest, the Le Mans, and then the GTO in 67, all great looking cars. And this one does not disappoint.